In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kyte promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Kyte promo code. Right here, select the website withrift.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use. For example, we have this one with 50% discount off, and all I need to do is select copy code right here, and this is a discount code. And if I'm going to use this promo code on my next purchase, I will be able to get that 50% discount off. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website, which is couponbirds.com, and I also recommend you to use this one because it has a lot of great deals. And for example, if I want to get this offer with 20% off, all I need to do is select the code right here, and this is the discount code. And if I'm going to apply this promo code on my next purchase, I will get this discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.